Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the benefits of investing in real estate via AKRU. AKRU is a real estate investment platform that uses blockchain technology to create a secure and easy-to-use marketplace. There are many benefits to investing in real estate via AKRU, including fractionalized ownership. AKRU allows you to invest in real estate for as low as $1,000. This makes real estate investment more accessible to a wider range of investors. AKRU uses blockchain technology to create a secure and transparent marketplace. All transactions are recorded on a blockchain ledger, which makes them tamper-proof and auditable. AKRU provides investors with real-time access to information about their investments. This includes information about the performance of the underlying assets and the fees charged by AKRU. The amount you can earn from investing in real estate via AKRU will vary depending on the specific asset you invest in and the market conditions. However, AKRU has historically generated returns of 10 to 20% per year. Click the link in the description below to learn more about AKRU and to sign up for a free account. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and investment advice.